tune day. So we're going to take this beast down to BSC Performance and see what this puppy can do. I reckon it has like around 300 kilowatt. What do you reckon, JB?
Oof, I'm excited to see the torque figure.
True, yeah. I think the torque figure is what the real figure that it'll be pushing. If you didn't see it, yesterday we did the hey, popped it today. Oof, deleted everything, all the EGR, DPF, don't know, Saxy pusher intake, piping kit. Ended up throwing the little thing. It's my cold air intake. It is through the bonnet. Well, it's all working. Haven't thrown any codes yet, which is a bonus. But yeah, I don't know if we're up the boost or if it's just going to refine it or whatever. But I've got the stuff that you can tap into the ECU. It's called like Link or something. What is it? Don't know. Yeah,
it's like Easy Link or something. I think it is. It's like a
More power. What do you reckon it's going to make for it? Power.
Depends what he wants to do with it. It's like, what are we doing?
Big boy torque.
Yeah. Oh, easily it should make over 1200 Newton meters, like easy. It should. It's a big motor.
Blazers.
Big truck.
Big truck.
He's my truck. Can we put like 31s on it or something for the tune?
True. Well, I don't know if it's hub. I don't know if it bolts to the hub. I have a feeling his dyno is a hub one.
Oh, true.
So because he was asking me what stud pattern and whatnot, how many bolt. So we'll see. Anyway, we'll head off there now and have a chat to old mate Bogger and probably leave the car with him and get him to do it before, and then we'll meet him when he's finished up and do the after and run through what we got.
Big truck, brothers! Yeah!
We're leaving it here with the master, see what he can do. He's going to play around with a few things. He said he even pulled the tune out of it to see what it would do standard, and then maybe with the tune that it had to see what it would get, and then he'll tune her up. He said there's something you can do with like even putting 5 multiple different modes, like, you know, like a towing mode, a little roll coal mode, need that, the blaze mode. So yeah, he's got a few things and playing around with auto and the shifting, whole heap of things, but gonna leave the camera with him, see if he does some gangster footage or a few runs for us, and then we'll come back and see what he's done. Pro, what have you done to me? Oh, god damn. This thing is so big. So we're thinking, yeah, it should fit on. Oh. Millimeter. Cheers, mate. So we're expecting some pretty big power, Farron. So you can't really see, but we're running all the straps. So we're expecting some real big boy torque out of this bad boy. So I hope you don't disappoint. Your exhaust is in a really shit spot. So I've closed my little toolbox here. See? Because I don't want it filling full of your soot. Yeah, boy. Alright, I'm gonna go for the first run. You can see we've got the matrix up. Burgundy Ferrari F250. As you can see, your exhaust is in a great prime position for roosting my toolbox. Alright, you gotta guess the power. I'm gonna go 255 kilowatts and like 850 Newton meters on this first run. Let's see. Not bad. So, first run's done. Just how the car came in with the tune that was in it. Made some pretty impressive numbers straight off the bat. So 261 kilowatts and Peak torque, just over 900. Just over 900 newton meters, so that's pretty good. So from now, we are gonna dive into the matrix and get a tune happening for it. So this is what we're working with. Just a heap of zeros and ones, really. All the white ones are the maps that I've changed and found. So we'll bang a tune file in it now and we'll see what we can get out of it. Alrighty, tune's loaded in. We will give it a run and see what it makes. We think it's going to be pretty good. We'll get a shot of the rolling coal and hopefully it makes some big numbers. So let's get into it. Hey. We're back, picking it up, and I'm nervous. Bogger's watching, is waiting for me to snap the order. But I can't believe the difference it is done. Ended on 315. I'm not sure if he's went through it, but went from 260, which was already fast, to 315. Went from 900 newton meters of torque to, what is it? 1250 or something. 13, it was. That's 1350. Oh no, hang on. It's almost 1400. I'm confused. We'll have to confirm with him. Yeah, we'll get him on camera again. It's got torque. It's got some torque. I don't want to break anything. Can't imagine trying to find an auto or a diff in Australia. But we'll send it anyway. All right. Shall we give it a first drive and then we'll go through it with the wizard on what he's done and we'll see if we can roll some cold, right?
My first time in a truck. Can't give you before and after because first time. Reaction vids true.
Jassie's first reaction. Damn, son! That wasn't even put flat. Rips! Didn't want to break the order. What the hell? Try a launch.
Damn. That's ridiculous.
Not what you'd expect from a truck.
That's Kane. It's too right.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad.
Saving birds on the block. Little Gary, where do we put him? Put him on the grass, I reckon. Definitely go back to the road. Hey. Can't even walk.
Bird.
F-truck bird. I think I freaked him, fell out of the tree. Couldn't handle that roll coal. Fumed him out. Oh, get me out. Jesus.
How's it going?
Yeah, pretty good.
Bit different.
We'll see when I'm cruising. But it definitely sends. Yeah. Yeah, that was second gear. I just wanted to go straight to third. The wheel spins. Did better in four-wheel drive.
Oh, yeah.
Put it in four-wheel drive down there in second and rolling. Gives it a proper launch.
Yeah.
It's definitely beastie.
She's definitely a beast. Should go good towing now. Not that it wouldn't have been shit before
it was
anyway.
already good before. Didn't even feel it, but feel it even less. Snapped the toe ball off.
Stuff.
You feel it in the fuel gauge.
Yes.
Should be better, I reckon.
You reckon?
I'm Phil. Depends on how you drive it. If you race it around in full drive, probably not, but it should be a little bit better.
Yeah. Give us a rundown. Is this before and after?
So that's before and after.
Oh, so is that?
That red, so that's the power before.
Yeah.
So that's the tune that it had in it, and that's the torque before.
Yeah.
This is the torque now, and this is the powers now.
That's sick. That's power. Is that 1350 torque. How does it work? So it starts right at the top and drops up.
Yeah, so that's with converter locked up
Diesel things.
at, like 1800 and then just mashing it. So all the torque's down low.
Yes. All the torque. Well, I was close to thinking it would have around 300. It's pretty crazy.
Thoughts?
It's not what you...
It's a torque monster.
Yeah.
That's pretty insane. It's the most torquiest diesel I've had on the dyno.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, definitely.
There you
It's
go.
got Hulk's torque, mate. Just at 2,000 RPM, not at like 7.
It's crazy.
Be interesting to see what it's like towing now. Should be pretty good.
I'll see what I can beat.
Yeah. Oh, you'll beat
Off
shit
the
loads, I
line.
reckon. In full
Well, that
drive.
launch, like, yeah.
It looked pretty quick.
Yeah.
Oh, it throws you back.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you do it in first, it just like wants to pick the wheels up and wheel spin. It launched pretty hard.
Yeah, first is pretty much non-existent
Useless.
gear now. Alright, cheers bro, appreciate your services and tuning and things. Well, yeah, fun. Before we close that, bird update. He's going strong. His parents probably about to swoop my ass. But he's flying. He just flew across the road. So yes, he's all good, if you're wondering. Like that subscribe.
Swipe up.
Everyone probably wants to see this on the giveaway next, but I don't know about that for a while. Stay tuned.
F250 giveaway coming soon. What?
That's VL built, get around it.
The wagon's probably running by the time this comes out.
Yeah, the wagon will be
So,
running.
Kang.
The wagon will be about to go
watch
for a
that.
test drive next.
Go watch that.
Yes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Become a member. I haven't given that a plug for a while. $3 membership, support the boys. If you don't like it and don't care, go watch another chat video. J Scott Drifts, jump on that channel if you want boring content. Yee. Do it next time.